Hello everyone. In today's sessions we are going to see how to set up your message preferences. Let's see uh, in the sales order, if we change the delivery date, we have the pop-up message like this, and we also have the checkbox on the message window which indicates that the remember my answer and do not show this message again. What this mean? This mean is that when this pop-up message is appeared on the screen and users check that remember my answer and click to the yes, it means that the user preference to this question is yes. User's answer is yes. It means that whenever the next time user have the same actions, this pop-up message is not going to be shown to the user, and system will consider the answer which is given by user previously. So you may have the questions like where this message is saved and how we can get the pop-up message again back to the system. Answer is very simple. This particular answer is saved in the message preference setup window, which is opened by the user from administration, setup, general and message preference. Once user click to the menu on the message preference, user will have the entries available with the answer yes. And with the message preference setup, you can see the area, form name, message text and answer. You may also want to roll back your answer, and you may like to have the pop-up message has to be appeared on the screen again. Then you need to go to the message preference and need to the respective entry from the message preference setup. So let's see the demo in SAP Business One. I'm opening the sales order. I need to change the delivery date of the sales order, and I'm getting this pop-up message, and I don't want this message every time has to be appear on the system, and system has to consider my answer as yes every time in further. So I'm going to check that remember my answer to yes. When I do that one and change the date again, then you can see that I don't have the pop-up message, but I have the status bar message. Previous question was automatically answered yes. So if you want to have the pop-up message has to be available again, then you need to go to the administration, setup, journal and the message preference window. Click that, right click, remove and update. Once you do that one and change the date again, you will have the pop-up coming back to the system. Thanking you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.